Have I got the right weekend this week? Have I got the right weekend this weekend, mate? How are you doing? How are you feeling, Chris? All right.
Good, mate, thank you.
Can I sit here with you?
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
I came last weekend by accident.
Yeah.
How do you? Hello, Chilly. How are you doing, mate? You all right? Hello, mate. I'm Fluffy Dave, mate. Pleased to meet you. Oh, thanks, Guy. I got the right weekend this weekend.
I hope you got a mince pie.
No, mate. No. This jacket seems to have shrunk over the winter, mate. These. Yeah. Here we are, leaving Moto-Edit. Punching them into their Christmas pie and excellent hot chocolate made by Chrissy. You will not find a more welcoming local bike shop. In fact, you will not find a more welcoming motorcycle shop, period. Lovely.
12 seconds later.
Bit quieter out here, mate. Actually, they're gone in the back, haven't they now? I just thought I'd just come in for a quiet pint, and lo and behold, it was like a bloody wedding. See you later. Have a good one. So I'm leaving my local pub, and I'm disappointed to report that I've had to reinstall GoPro Quick, because after the last firmware update the thumbnail preview had frozen on my iPhone and I couldn't connect to my camera to check the angle, so I'm guessing here. But here out on the Cambridge-Norfolk border, Wi-Fi isn't brilliant, broadband's not brilliant, and it was completely saturated was the local pub Wi-Fi network, so I'm flying a little bit blind. I've no idea whether I've got audio